Anxiety and stress are very common occurrences that may be quite bothersome. They can lead to sleepless nights, missed chances, sickness, and panic episodes, all of which can prevent you from feeling like yourself. Stress management is one of the important skills one should develop during his or her lifetime. Whether it happens occasionally or daily, it is important to cure them. Not always we can rely on others for our mental peace. So in this modern world, where technology has a solution for everything, this is quite an easy task, since there are numerous tools available for this purpose. Here are some of the best tools for relaxing our minds. 1. Calm. Sleep is essential for stress management, but it's also one of the first things to suffer when you are nervous. Calm, a famous mindfulness app, puts sleep, meditation, and relaxation in your hands. Calm is a mood check-in function that tracks your mood throughout the day and compiles a tailored mood report. The app's free version includes a limited number of guided workouts and contemplative sounds to help you relax. 2. Shine. Depending on your cultural background, the way you experience and display anxiety may differ. Women of color created the Shine app to address the fears that are unique to their groups. The app includes meditation routines, podcasts, a large audio library, and community forums, allowing you to work on anxiety management alone or with the help of others who share your experience. 3. Breathwrk. If you have anxiety, you might have heard that breathing exercise work well. Breathwrk is an app designed for this purpose. This app expands on the science of breathing exercises by selecting a library of breathing exercises based on your goal: falling asleep, feeling relaxed, feeling energetic, or reducing stress. The app will coach you through each workout and can send you reminders to breathe at regular intervals. 4. Anti-stress anxiety relief game. Anxiety reduction relaxing games is a fascinating collection of games that are aimed to ease stress and anxiety by providing tasks to do for no other reason than to play them. You can quiet your mind and relax with the easy and repetitive games in this app. It is a great tool to help take your mind off what's making you anxious, with games like bubble wrap popping, fidget spinners, pen clicking, soap carving, and many more. 5. Day 1. It has been scientifically proven that writing daily journals is a great way to keep our minds relaxed and for organizing thoughts. It provides a beautiful interface that helps to keep writing a journal as a daily habit. The interface is free of distractions, allowing you to concentrate on a single thought. The strong markdown language is supported in journal entries. Entries are simple to arrange, and you can search for them using a calendar. 6. Sleep cycle alarm clock. The night before, when you go to bed, is frequently the start of a tranquil and enjoyable day. Getting a proper night's sleep has a wide range of health benefit. For many of us, though, this is harder than it sounds. When falling asleep is tough, we wake up too tired to face the day ahead. Sleep Cycle Alarm Clock has several functions that will allow you to track your sleep and get up at the most convenient moment. The app employs sophisticated sound technologies to track your sleep periods at night. Wearers of the Apple Watch will feel a little vibration if it detects snoring during the night, which may help you alter sleep positions and reduce snoring. 7. Colorfy. Coloring books are not just for kids anymore. Adults have been demonstrated to relax and calm themselves by coloring. There are now a variety of digital coloring apps for smartphones and tablets. Colorfee is one of the coolest. More than 1,000 different pictures to color are included in the app, including animals, pets, gardens, iconic paintings, and more. Paint users can even add their designs. It may be used without an internet connection, and you can share your drawings on social media. 8. What's Up? A mental health app. This app employs tactics derived from cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and acceptance commitment therapy, ACT, two popular approaches to dealing with extreme anxiety, sadness, and stress. This free program includes a detailed diary where you can record your daily moods and routines, as well as a feelings tracker where you may grade your emotions on a scale of 1 to 10. It also includes a good and negative habit tracker, where you may set objectives to practice beneficial habits, such as meditation, journaling, or exercising. What's Up can help you if you are feeling anxious. There's also a grounding game to assist people to return to the present when they are feeling stressed. 9. Smiling Mind. Smiling Mind is one of the most intriguing free relaxing apps accessible. The entirely free program is designed to help both youngsters and adults. There are specific programs for children and adults of various ages that focus on dealing with the pressures, stress, and difficult problems of daily life. Mindfulness in the classroom and at work is also covered during the sessions. You can choose from several meditation lengths, and you can even check in with yourself at the start and end of each session to quantify your stress level. 10. Mindmeister. There are probably a lot of different thoughts floating around in your mind at any given time. Mind mapping can assist you by allowing you to brainstorm your ideas in a visual format without regard to order or organization. Mindmeister is a fantastic mind mapping program to try. The mind mapping service is available on mobile devices in addition to an internet interface. You can quickly and effectively organize and produce new ideas with the app. Different themes, colors, and icons are available to use when creating a map. It's also feasible to collaborate on a mind map in real time with others. 11. Insight Timer. More than 30,000 meditations and music tracks are available for free on Insight Timer. Dealing with worry and stress, leadership, healthier relationships, and sleeping deeply are some of the most popular subjects. When you are on the go, you can choose a meditation by time to better integrate the app into your daily routine. The app's name brand meditation timer comes with a variety of sound settings. There are many other community features and discussion groups with other people from all over the world to help you better grasp the app. You can also look at statistics and milestones to feel more accomplished. 12. Simple Habit. Simple Habit seeks to highlight that you can start meditating at any time. The app is notable for its large number of 5-minute meditations on topics such as stress alleviation and depression management. When you have more time, there are also longer sessions. The fantastic on-the-go tool allows you to choose from a variety of settings, such as a stressful day and how much free time you have. It will then provide a session to assist you. 13. Altos Odyssey. Sometimes de-stressing games are all the rage on mobile platforms, and you can choose from a wide range of titles to help you relax. While puzzle games are recognized for being calming, Altos Odyssey is a different kind of stress reliever. 14. UCLA Mindful. UCLA Mindful is a wonderful option to get started with mindfulness meditation because it is a simple and fully free option. There are simple meditations available in both English and Spanish. Wellness meditations are also available for those with health issues. There are several videos available to novices that cover how to get started and the research behind how meditation can benefit your entire physical health. A weekly searchable podcast examining various themes is also included in the app. You can meditate at any time thanks to the timer feature. 15. Dark noise. Ambient noise might help you sleep or concentrate on your everyday tasks. Dark noise is a simple but effective sound effect. There are over 30 noises to choose from, ranging from white noise to more unusual sounds like a spacecraft engine or a kitten purring. It's simple to set a timer to stop the sound after a certain amount of time or duration once you have chosen a noise. While life can seem uncontrollable, there's no reason to despair. By utilizing some of these excellent relaxation applications, you will be able to better handle the hustle while being peaceful and relaxed. We hope that these apps will be useful for everyone. For more such interesting content, do like the video and subscribe to our channel.